time I have tried camping here at Dabara Khola Waterfall, which is supposed to be one of the largest waterfalls of Odisha, so as Cuttack district. You will one day to know that. I mean, inside Cuttack district there is such a beautiful fall. Prabhas, can you show the fall? There is such a beautiful fall lies over here, and this is to be very precise, mostly rain-fed. So yesterday and day before yesterday it was heavy rain. That's why the waterfall is roaring like anything. But during winter also there is a flow, but it is relatively less. So, but today for the very first time, I and my friends, we have tried camping here. Also, like we don't have all the basic amenities, and we don't intend to even stay overnight here. But today for the very first time we have tried to experience how the camping goes like. And you see my friend Subhranshu, he's resting here. He's all tired because we all are tired. The way we trekked from the car where we have parked, and it is almost 2 kilometers from the car. And this is supposed to be the second waterfall. Beneath this there is a single waterfall over there. So this place is actually amazing. Camp, bonfire, although it lacks basic amenities. But today I am trying for day camping only, and if at all everything goes right, next I'll try to spend one night over here. So this place you see, so please show the ambience of this place, how this place looks like. Please show the people how this place looks like. This is deep inside the jungle. You see, the jungle is way too deep. You need to trek for 2 to 3 kilometers to be able to reach here from the Kacha road. I mean, you will find this in YouTube, but you may not find how to reach here. But see, the more you go through pain, actually the more you achieve. I am way too excited, although we lack something, but to be able to start something, this is wonderful, this is perfect. So I, along with my friends, managed to reach here and managed to actually put our tent here. So this tent is sufficient for 2 people. I have purchased this from Decathlon, which costs around 2,000. But next on, when I look forward to spend overnight, then I'll definitely fetch other items which are of utmost importance when we wish to spend overnight. Hi everyone, this is how the waterfall looks like. It is roaring like anything because of a little rain. Youngsters are enjoying like anything, and you can stay here up to 5 or 6 until it is evening and see how the waterfall is roaring like anything. And I have my tent, over there. Over there. I have my tent over there. So you see, this is a little, this is exactly where it should be. And today I'll be only spending the daytime. But later on I'll see if at all the situation permits, then I'll try and spend overnight over here. So stay tuned. Thanks. So the first-hand experience goes absolutely wonderfully well, and we absolutely look forward to have more and more in the coming days. We'll camp and we'll experiment. We'll see how it goes. And stay tuned, everyone. And do remember, this is Dabara Khola Waterfall, and you need to from Bhubaneswar, it is around 140 kilometers, but make sure you need to go through some temporary road from Kacha Rasta. In the rain it gets muddy, but it will certainly give you an experience of lifetime, and camping here would certainly give you some sort of rejuvenation. So see, my friend is there, and we have managed these tools. See these tools? We have managed this from Decathlon. So see, my friend is living there. So I don't think it will be difficult to spend an overnight here, but since this place is unknown to us, so we don't think it will be wise to spend overnight here. But in the coming days we will explore all sort of possibilities to spend one night here. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye, take care, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.